paper tube flanging and cleaning machine manufacturer. It provides high efficiency and productivity. With its automated operation, it can process a large number of paper cans in a short time, reducing production cycles and increasing output. The machine ensures consistent and precise flanging and cleaning results. This leads to uniform quality of the paper cans, meeting strict quality standards and customer expectations. The machine is designed for durability and low maintenance, ensuring long-term reliable operation.